If you are worried about adding page borders to your document, then this video is for you. Hi, myself is Maryam Batool. I am from Young Researchers, and in today's video we are going to discuss how you can add borders to your Word document. So for that you need to open Word document, and then you will go to design option here, and once you click on design option you can see different options like watermark, page color, page borders. Here you will click on page borders. Once you click on page borders, this box will appear to you, and here you need to select type of borders you want to add into your document. So if you want to add box type border, you can click here, and you can select the width of the border that you want to add in your document. For example, if you want to add this border style throughout the document, then you can click here, and you can select width here, like 1 point, or less than 1 point, or greater than 1 point, like if you want to add up to 3 point width, then you can select from here. And if you want to add automatic color like black color, you can click on OK. But if you want to change the color of these borders as well, you can click on this color, and you can select any color of that you want to add, for example like this one, and then you can click on to apply to whole document. Or if you want to apply only to this section or first page of document, you can click here, first page only. Or if you want to add a specific section, where if you want to add border to specific section like title page, you can click on this section. But if you want to add on whole document, you can click on whole document, and then whatever the number of pages you will add in your document, the borders will be added to all documents, and then you will click on OK here. So here you go, this border has been added into your Word document like this one. And if you want to change the color again, you can go to page borders, and you can select color scheme again. If you want to add shadow type borders in your document, you can click here, and then you can click on OK. So here you can see the style and design of the border has been changed. Okay, so you can select any 3D or shadow type or box type borders to your document, and then click on OK. So these 3D form of borders have been added to your Word document. So this is a very simple step. Just open your Word document, go to design option, then page borders, and then select the border type, its color and its width, and then click on which page you want to add the border, and then click on OK. So here you can add page borders to your Word document. So I hope this video helps you a lot in understanding about adding page borders. In coming videos we will discuss some more interesting topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.